Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Fi app on Android and activate eSIM. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Google Fi and press enter. Locate the Google Fi app from the search results. Tap on the app to open its details page. Click on the install button to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, tap the Open button to launch the Google Fi app. Upon opening, you'll see the welcome screen. If you already have a Google Fi account, select the option to sign in. Enter your Google account email and password, then tap Next. Follow the prompts to verify your identity if required. If you are new to Google Fi, select Get Started to begin the activation process. Choose the plan that suits your needs. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then accept them. Select whether you want a physical SIM card or to use eSIM. If you choose eSIM, ensure your device is compatible. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your eSIM. You will receive a QR code for activation. Open your device's settings and navigate to the Network and Internet section. Select Mobile Network and then tap on Add Carrier or Carrier. Choose Scan QR code and point your camera at the QR code. Once scanned, follow the prompts to complete the eSIM activation. After activation, you may need to restart your device. Check your mobile network settings to confirm your connection. You are now ready to use Google Fi on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.